Oh hi friends! Before we start, let's have a quick review first. First of all, spiders are not insects. Why? Because spiders are arthropods with 2 body parts and 8 legs, while insects they have 6 legs and 3 separated body parts. Spiders go from egg to nymph and to adult. Do you think it's a complete metamorphosis or incomplete metamorphosis? Yes, you're right. It is an incomplete metamorphosis. The cephalothorax is the first of 2 body parts on a spider. It is a combination of the head and thorax, and on it are found the legs, eyes, pedipalps, and other mouth parts. Pedipalps are 2 leg-like parts on the head of spider to hold its prey while injecting venom with its fang. Okay, now let's talk about the spider's web. Woohoo!
Ricochet web.
Ricochet web. Cool.
Spider web. Web grenade.
Web grenade!
Let's get back. Spider web helps spider to catch its food. A spider's web is made of silk that the spider produces inside its body. The silk comes out through tiny tubes called spinnerets, which located in its abdomen. At first, the silk is just a thick liquid. When it hits the air, it dries into a thin strand of silk. When we talk about spider, we can leave this one out. Darwin's bark spider. This is Darwin bark spider, who is an orb weaver spider that produces the largest known orb webs, from 19 to 28,000 square centimeters, with bridge lines spanning up to 25 meters. The spider was discovered in Madagascar in the Andes-Montana National Park in 2009. Can you see that long strand web? Wow! When the video is actually zooming in, up close, we can see they are big. But let's talk about the size. Their size are less than 3 centimeters. They have a very big potential to create one of the largest web in the world. So you too, even if you are small, remember Darwin bark spider can do it even if it's small. Can you guess what this body is doing? Yeah, the spider uses its spinnerets to weave the silk strands into the threads of silk for a web. A spider web seems fragile, but it is actually quite strong. In fact, it is much stronger than most man-made fibers. An insect that touches the sticky threads of the web gets caught. The insect cannot get loose because of the threads, and it becomes the yummy spider's meal. Spinning webs is one way of spider to gather food, but spiders also have other ways or methods. A trapdoor spider digs a hole in the ground. It builds a hidden door and made of silk and soil. The spider stays just under the partly open door. When an insect gets close, the spider will jump out and grab it. Look at the tiny hole. Yes, that is the door. The trapdoor spider can be around 2.5 centimeters long on average. However, they can reach a length of 4 centimeters. Trapdoor spiders have 8 eyes, a pair in the middle and 3 on each side. Their colors range from yellowish brown to reddish brown to black. Let's see what's going to happen next. The grasshopper has no idea of what will happen next. If you see the door is like swinging up a bit, it means the trapdoor spider knows that there is a prey close to it. That's right. Wow, it's just so fast. No wonder they are being called Master of Surprises. Oh, I'm still surprised. Miss Stella, help!
How come is Spider-Man afraid of spider? Well, I'm going to take it from here. So the next one is a fishing spider. A fishing spider is a large, hairy spider that catches food by fishing for it. The fishing spider stays on a plant near a stream or pond. It tangles a leg in the water to detect any movement made by insect or larvae. When it feels any movement, the spider can walk on the surface of the water to get its food. And even they eat mostly insects, the fishing spiders also eat small fish. If needed, it can go underwater and use its fangs to poison a fish. The spider then drags its catch ashore to eat it. Look on how he's actually getting ready to get the prey. Let's wait a little bit more. Oh, see? Wow, just like that, he jumped and grabbed the fish that, he has his eyes on it even before. Another large, hairy spider is the tarantula. A tarantula is a fearsome-looking hunter. It hunts at night by chasing its prey. Tarantulas eat insects, but these spiders are also large enough to eat other animals. They may eat vertebrates, such as toads, frogs, snakes, lizards, and even small birds. Tarantula is the biggest of all arachnids. But then this is Goliath tarantula. This is the biggest over them all. It can grow nearly a foot across, with its fang an inch long. The vast majority of tarantulas live in Central and South American jungles. It is the nighttime when Goliath is the most active. For them, hunting means lying and wait. And even they have 8 eyes, they have very weak vision. They rely on their sensitive hair and its vibration over things around it. Well, it is like ringing the dinner bell, just like this small noise. Almost all spiders use poison to kill their prey. Once a spider catches its prey, the spider injects poison. The poison causes the victim unable to move. Then the spider eats its catch. Sometimes the spider bites a person, but the poison of most spiders is not harmful to people. However, the brown recluse spider and the black widow spider are 2 spiders whose poison is dangerous to people. Also the Brazilian spider. These Brazilian wandering spiders, just like the name, love to move. It doesn't dig layer or spinning web. It is always on the move. From Venezuela to Argentina, this spider occasionally wanders on neighborhoods. It's packed with one of the biggest punch venom in the world. The venom is twice as much as the black widow's venom. It is super deadly. The venom contains neurotoxin that immediately attack the nervous system, causing the muscles that controls the heart and breathing to shut down. It is also contains serotonin that attacks the brain, causing tremor and intense pain. Eventually, it can kill you. So kids, remember to be careful every time you see a spider.
So, I learned 2 things today. First, spider is always awesome. Second one, wow, teaching is not easy. So I guess I'm going back to the class too right now. So bye guys. Thank you for being with me. See you next time. What is this calling? Rude. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Oh, hi, Spider. I just want to say thank you for.
I'm really sorry. I can't be busy right now. I cannot take your call. I will call you later. Bye.